Hello everyone, Akash here and welcome back to another video. And today we have a brand new RTX card to play with. So this is the Inno3D GeForce RTX 2080 Twin X2OC. So we are going to quickly unbox this, have a look what we get inside, talk about the card and its specs, and then we'll move on to the benchmark scores. So without further delay, let's jump right into it. Okay, so this is what we get inside the box. We get all the usual manuals, the warranty information, the installation disk, which you obviously don't need because you have to download the latest NVIDIA drivers from the NVIDIA website, a 3D mark and a VR mark benchmark software codes. And next up is the power supply guideline. So this is some information about how much power supply you might need for each of these cards. Next up is the mouse pad. So let's take it out of this plastic pad. This is the mouse pad. So this mouse pad feels quite premium and smooth to me, but it's a bit small, but it's good. The quality is good. And finally, we have the RTX card. So it comes well packed in this anti-static bag. To me, the unboxing experience I think is one of the best I have had till date. So they packed it up really nicely. It's time to take this out. The RTX 2080 is based on the Turing architecture with 8 gigs of GDDR6 video memory. It is a 256-bit graphics card with 2944 CUDA cores and it boosts up to 1755 MHz. The technical specifications will be up on your screen right now. Talking about Inno3D's offering on this card feels premium and sturdy and it carries a decent amount of weight. The Inno3D X2 features two 92mm ultra silent side fans with an aluminium jumbo vapor chamber for maximum heat dissipation. Not only that, it has 0 dB full stop mode which turns off the fans when the GPU idles, thus reducing the noise levels and the power consumption. It is also reinforced with a strong full-length metal backplate which protects the card from any damage. And for the RGB lovers out there, you can customize the RGB logo as much as you want using the Inno3D TuneIt software to suit your build theme. So this graphic card needs an 8 and a 6-pin connector to power up, and for the outputs, it has one HDMI 2.0, 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and one USB-C at the back of the card. So that being out of the way, let's check out the scores, and here's our advertisement specification. also want to thank Inno3D for sending us over their graphics card for us to check out. Do follow Saboo Computers on all our social media handles, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the links will be given in the description down below. And it's time to wrap it up for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.